And so like people are just in the chat just type so this end. And this will be our front axle. Okay. Now let's do the hood of the tank. We've got a 4x2 blue piece. And we're just going to put like a white 2x2 on top. And then after doing that, we're going to put a gray 2x1 piece.
One more to the right.
And so it's a staircase kind of. We're just going to put this weird little thing on top. So it perfectly slots in. Yeah. 6x2 gray piece that we connect underneath. And then we're going to have yellow 2x3 block in this back. So it looks like this. At the very end, we're gonna 2x4 on top like that. So now we got a weird looking frame. Okay, now second piece, right? I mean second car. Yeah, we have a second car for our car. We're gonna take an 8x2 and connect two axles underneath. So we got kind of like a layered structure right now. And then bam. So now that we got all our complete parts, we can assemble this. My girl calls me Yoshi because she can't understand me.